Morning. Hi, I'm Yolande Poirier from Oracle Technology Network, and I'm here at Devoxx today talking to Terrence Barr. Terrence, hi.
Hi, Yolande.
Tell us a little bit what you do for a living.
Yeah, so I'm a software engineer by trade. I've been doing Java development for many years, but my heart has always been embedded. I like to play with toys. And so lately I've actually started being a product manager for Oracle's small embedded Java products.
Nice. So we've seen a lot of devices and robots at Devoxx this year. Tell us what is happening.
Right, yeah, exactly. So the last few years, Devoxx was about, enterprise scalability, middleware applications, methodologies, and now we're seeing a lot of toys. We're seeing, as you say, robots and near-field communication and just people doing interesting things with hardware, and I think it's part of a bigger trend. If you look at the IT industry in general, devices are becoming cheaper, they're becoming more powerful, but more importantly, they're becoming connected. Everything's connected, not always, sometimes intermittently, but the combination of powerful, cheap hardware and low power and connectivity really creates this explosion of opportunities that we see, right? So devices start proliferating, we make our environment smarter, we make our business processes smarter, and Java is really at the heart of this because you can only create a scalable, easily programmatic or programmable infrastructure if you have a common platform underneath. And that's why I think Java is really at the heart of this third, I call it the third industrial IT revolution.
Nice. And so, how is Oracle involved with this trend? What are we doing?
Right. So, if people have followed Java 1 a couple of weeks ago, Oracle made some big announcements about the general sort of embedded Java strategy, right? That Oracle believes this is a huge market, it's exploding, and there are a lot of opportunities for Java and for Oracle partners to work together and really harness the opportunities that are in the ecosystem. So we're announcing a couple of new products. We've already had, of course, big successes in the Java embedded space, right? So all of the Blu-ray players ever shipped have a Java runtime on there, right? We see embedded Java in lots of industrial systems, so it's been a major success story in itself. But now at Oracle, we want to focus in making the Java platform widely available to a broad developer population in a standardized form. So we really want to enable developers, not only Java developers, but embedded developers, to create all these new interesting applications and services for embedded. So we're working with partners, we're announcing new products, we have an embedded Java roadmap, so a lot of good stuff happening.
So how can developers be more involved?
Yeah, in many ways. So you can now already download some of Oracle's offerings in the embedded Java space. So there's Java SE embedded, a specialized version of the standard Java SE runtime for embedded devices, for example, for ARM Linux. We announced a developer preview of Java FX for embedded devices, so you can play with that as well. There are two new products that I mentioned. So one is the Oracle Java Embedded Suite, which is sort of a small middleware product that's targeted towards the sort of higher-end embedded space for gateways and concentrators. It's basically a full-blown, JavaDB, Glassfish, application server type stack. And then we have a product for the very small space, which is called Oracle Java Me Embedded, which is the product I'm managing. And that is targeting the really resource-constrained small devices, right? That where we believe the unit volumes are, because they're so cheap and so power efficient that you can literally put billions of them out in the field. And we need to make sure that there's a good Java story, a good Java developer story for that. And that product is also available. You can download the developer kit today and start playing with that.
So everything is online?
Everything's online. We have a bunch of documentation. We revamped part of OTN to make the content more accessible. You can download the binaries and start playing with them, and there's more good stuff coming shortly as well.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Terrence.
Thank you, Yolande.
Thank you for joining us.